This is the end of my driveway, and that's the drain that's supposed to take all the water off of the street, but it all ends up here because the tree has lifted the street up over here. That's what the city tells me. The driveway was put in at the original design back in 1969. Since then the street was paved and this becomes a pool of water, and you can see here the last time water was here it made this this line of debris where the water ended, so there's like a huge place here. And then to further complicate things, the city just put in these sidewalks for no reason, no apparent reason, because nobody uses them. Even since they put them in, nobody uses them. They never used them, you know, always walk down the center of the street. It's a dead-end street. And now there's no place for the water to be absorbed because this is now cement. There's no longer any place for the water to be absorbed except this little tiny spot right here that they tell me is adequate. And then there's over there is a what they call it, a blowout valve, which means that at the end of the water supply, periodically any dirt that gets into the line, they open the valve and they blow the water out along with any dirt that's in the line, and that happens about every 3 days. So this all pools up also. So and today is I'm going to drill a whole series of holes here so that the water that sits here in the puddle can actually sink down through and make it into the soil below so that it has some place to go. All right, this is called a rotary hammer drill, and you can set it obviously for either rotating and hammering at the same time, or just rotating like a regular drill, or hammering just back and forth. And then of course I got all the drills. So this is the largest drill that I have. I think this is about 1 inch. So I'm going to drill a series of 1-inch holes in that cement, and you can see this will go all the way through that block, the slab of the driveway, which is, you know, perhaps 4 inches thicker. So this is just so that you can see, this is what it, you know, with just a hammer looks like, you know, one of the chisel type tools. Here's a tile removal tool. And I have a whole series of drills in here for different types of stuff, different sizes, and from very small to large. And then there's lithium grease. This just lubricates the nose of this thing so that the tools can slide in and out easily. Okay, so I'm going to get set up and I'll show you how this goes.
get in trouble? Good job, buddy. Gonna space them up?
Every foot or so. And then if that's not enough, I'll put another row in. If that's not enough, I'll put another row in. Hey, how you doing?
Look at my oil.
Yeah, right. I wish, right? Yeah, I know. I had them down here to see what they would do for me. Nothing. Yeah. I know. that's tungsten carbide. This is tool steel. This is carbide. This is what it's much harder than cement. Okay, well, now we'll wait for rain. See how it performs.